Well, guys, I'm so happy. Finally, my crockery is coming out. I'm crazy about crockery. Some old bartan, some more. And now we have managed to, I think, wind up at least 7-8 boxes. So, just arranged some daily mugs in here. And yeah, basically doing all the crockery, but still there's a lot of mess. You can hear a lot of noises because a lot of construction is going on, and I'm just doing my kitchen, just going on doing my kitchen. All these mugs, we just washed them, then we are going to place them inside. And yeah, the 360-degree view is only mess, but I'm happy. What I have realized is that when you are setting a house, in between keep decorating. I know it's not practically possible to decorate, but I feel wherever you can decorate, like just place your plants in the balcony, or if your bathroom is done, just put a little bit of decoration. That really sort of relieves all the stress. It makes you so happy while you're doing a house. So this is what I do. So I just placed a little bit of my crockery in the cabinets, and I placed a very nice brush and toothpaste stand in my washroom. Lot has to be done, but eventually things are not very good, to be honest. The furniture has not arrived yet. This guy is not replying or taking our calls as to when he's going to send the furniture. What has happened? There is some ceiling problem. That's the hint that he has given us, but we are going to go to his place today and try and figure out what's the problem. So it's like, when you don't have storage space, you cannot really open up your boxes and start setting the house. We have just done the kitchen. Little bit is left, like 99% is done. Just a little bit is left. The carpenter is working, so that's why you can hear a lot of noise around. Some things have moved on, like we got the mirrors done in the bathrooms. Just one is left, which will be done today. So I'll start settling down at least the basin area, but nothing much. Planning to do the balcony. This is not going to be the final thing, because I was planning to put grass and have a lot of more things, but whatever I have today, I just have to keep settling the stuff as much as I can. I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. Everything is lying at 6s and 7s, and sorry for the noise, construction and all going on around. So whatever I can settle and lay down, I'm trying to do that, but also enjoying the process, because it's fun settling down the house, it's fun setting your home, and it's fun decorating places here and there. So stay with me through my journey till the time I finally settle down and set the entire house. It is going to take at least a month, I am sure, or maybe more than that. So आज balcony करते हैं, थोड़ी बहुत करते हैं, not much, but be with me and see what I am planning to do. चलो करते हैं, let's start. So guys, this is basically the space which I am planning to do today. This is my master bedroom's balcony, and we also have a lot of space here. So this stuff is ready to be placed. Let me just show you guys. This balcony is like an L, but a rounded L. So I'm going to be doing up all of this, but not today. Sorry for the noises. Hi guys, good evening. This is evening time, and this is the little tiny balcony coffee table set that I arranged. I actually could not actually could not do the balcony stuff, because one, I realized I still need to get the grass. So let me have the grass in the balcony, and then I'll start arranging it. Otherwise I just have to remove everything and redo it. And on top of it, I got a severe migraine attack today, and my day just it went for a toss. But there has been some movement today, thankfully, touch wood. We received our sofas, we received our side tables, consoles, and the curtain and blinds guy came and he has put up the blinds. Let me show you guys the new arrangement in the house. So let's go. So guys, we just received sofas. So 2 of these single seaters are lying in this room. They'll eventually be a part of this particular bedroom, and those are the blinds. We just got it done. So this guy has put up the blinds. I really like the color, very sober. This will be a primary color in this room, and we've also done got done a wallpaper. I don't know if you guys can actually see. It has a very, minute design. This is how it is. It looks very stunning. The camera is not doing justice to this wallpaper, but it looks really stunning. So yeah, that's that. And then as we go aage, Arav is sitting. Hi. Alright, so this is the entire set of things we received today. All these boxes are still packed. They just came in. They have all the side tables and consoles. This is a console, a small console, and that one is a big console. So I'll open and I'll surely show you guys for sure. This is my beauty room. Right now it's all messed up. So this is the wallpaper I got for my beauty room. How pretty is it? And looking at the wallpaper, can you guys guess the theme of this room? Let me know in the comments below. And these are the blinds. You guys are working. So I got this pretty mauvey pink kind of blinds done for my beauty room. And yeah, there was one more development today. Let me show you. The development which happened today is, ta-da! The mirrors. Hi, you guys can see me. So we finally got the mirrors done in the washrooms. They are very dirty right now. So the guys just installed the mirrors, but they haven't cleaned it yet. And that's my lovely kitchen. Right now I'm enjoying in my kitchen the most because I think it's set, pretty much set. Let me turn on the light. I don't even know where are the switches. Oh, ye bahar ki light hai. Where is the light switch? I don't know.
I know.
Where is it?
One sec.
Oh, Arav will help us know. Oh yeah, and that's another blind. I love the print. I am sucker for floral prints and vintage prints. So this is for the dining area. And yeah, thank you, Arav. So yeah, the kitchen light is on. We have to get the light changed, so we will get these ceiling lights. We're just going to go and buy those lights. Abhi to ye temporary jugaad hai. You guys can see on the what is it, chimney pipe. We have just fixed a tube light just for the time being. So yep, that's that. And let me show you guys a little bit of this corner which I did. So I just added a few more things. I just added those incense sticks. It has very nice aroma oil inside and it's smelling really nice. My jade plant and these two canisters. Okay, the candle is not supposed to be here. Beautiful canisters. I got these off Chumbak. And I think somebody asked me where I got all these mugs and cups from. These jars are from Chumbak in pink. Two are in pink and one in yellow. And these cutie mugs for my son's milk station. They are, guys, from pretty much everywhere. Mix of different shops, basically crockery shops. Even you'll get some very cute mugs from Miniso. You can try that as well. I really don't remember which shops are these mugs from, but they're just a mix from everywhere. And on top is my pretty vintage clock, but that's not its permanent position. I am going to change its position. So yeah, that's that. So guys, this is the development for today. And yeah, satisfied. Things are moving slowly but for surely. They are moving, and we're just waiting for the furniture to arrive, hopefully in another week or 10 days. So as I said earlier, it will take at least a month to settle down properly, like be in a livable condition. And what you expect is very different from the reality. Like I was very excited and I was like thinking ye karenge, wo karenge, aisa hoga, waisa hoga, jaldi ho jayega, by Diwali ho jayega. But reality is very different. Things take time and we are dependent on so many people around. So when they will get things done, we will get things finalized. So yeah, it is not as easy as it looks like. My first experience of changing a house after my marriage. But yeah, it's a good experience. It's fun. It's good learning. Maza aa raha hai, and I'm really looking forward to doing more vlogs for you guys. And once I style the house, I'm surely going to share how I have styled it, how I have organized things. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. And by the way, I haven't even taken bath today, so please excuse me for the way I'm looking. Cut ho rahi hai. So yeah, please excuse me. I hope you understand. Ciao.